There's no better place to live than historic Oakwood. Why, you might ask? You're walking distance to downtown Raleigh, walking distance to Person Street, which is home to some of my favorite entertainment, shopping, great restaurants, and you're inside the Beltline, so you're close to everything you want to get to in Raleigh. Speaking of historic Oakwood, you're going to love my newest listing right here in the heart of it all. You know, there's just something special about living in a historic home. It's really like the vibe and the way it makes you feel. And those are the things that you'll find here. Original windows with wavy glass. You know, you don't find that every day, new builds for sure. These built-ins on each side of the fireplace, custom details like that. As we make our way towards the back of the home, we're gonna find the kitchen and the sunroom, which is one of my favorite features of this house. But what you'll notice is original doors, original trim. You know, these are the authenticities of a historic home. Original refinished hardwoods. You know, that's what makes this home so special. And what my buyers tell me is they love historic homes, you know, they love the charms and, you know, the unique features of it, but they want move-in ready, they want updated kitchens and updated bathrooms, and you're definitely gonna find that here. One of my favorite features of this home is this sunroom. Just off the kitchen, it's filled with windows, light, it has this higher ceiling, it's got skylights with motorized shades. This is the perfect home office. And if you're looking for main level living, this home definitely has that. So we have our primary bedroom with ensuite bath. We also have a second bedroom with a full bathroom on the first level as well. I love this backyard. This great deck with built-in seating. You have perfectly landscaped backyard. You know, as the weather gets warmer, you know, this is where you're gonna be hanging out, right? We have two really wide side yards as well. So you can have like raised garden beds over there. And then, let's face it, here's a great nook to kind of hang out, maybe enjoy coffee, maybe a cocktail. Can you see it? And how many homes are you gonna find in Oakwood that have a basement that serves as a speakeasy, laundry, and extra storage? Okay, welcome to my other favorite feature of this home, okay? And the most unique feature of this home and any home in Oakwood. This is called an airplane bungalow. Lots of windows, so it also gives you kind of a coastal vibe, right? And if you don't believe me, just look out the window and you're gonna see a palm tree. My listing is truly one of the most unique homes in all of historic Oakwood. From that airplane bungalow pop-up design to a basement with a speakeasy, this house has it all.